You want to play with the alligator? Okay, ready? Ready, Juliet? Ready? Get ready. Go get it. Bring it here. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, you're not going to bring it here? Bring it here, Ju. Good girl. Good girl. Ready? Go get it. Good girl. Ready, Juliet? Go get it. Girl, you ready? You ready? Ready? Go! Ready? Go get it. You gonna shake around and say, take it, Sawyer, take it from me. Oh, she's not gonna play with us. Here, give me here. Oh, you're not gonna play? Give me here. Okay, I'll throw it. I'll throw it. Go ahead. Good girl, thank you. Go get it. Go where Randy. Let's see if Randy wants to play with you. I don't think Randy wants to play. You give it here, Juliet. Give it here. And give it to me. I'm gonna shake it around a little. What do you think? You don't know what to do. Is it dead? Did you kill it? You want me to throw it? Okay, I'll throw it. Thank you, good girl. Oh, give it here. Oh, kill it first. Is it dead? Can I throw it? Hi, Casey. Can I throw it? Give it here. No? What? What are we gonna do with it? What do you want me to do? Okay. Do you want me to try and get it from you? Okay. No, not yet. What do you think? Do you want me to throw it? Yep, a good girl. Ready? You ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Get ready? Get ready? Here it comes! Oh, there's Matson. Will Matson play with you? Hi, Matson. Juliet's got a toy. See, those dogs don't seem to care, do they? They don't want to play with you and your toy. Hey, you want me to throw it? Oh, watch out. Good girl. Oh, no. Are we done for now? Okay.